Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to change the default PDF viewer on any Android. So if you have mistakenly selected a different or a wrong PDF viewer on your Android phone and you want to be able to change the PDF viewer to a different PDF viewer and set it as your default viewer for your Android phone so that it does not automatically just uses the PDF viewer that you don't want, all you just have to do is to head over to the settings of your Android. So go ahead and open up the settings on your Android phone, whether it's the Samsung, Motorola, Redmi, Google Pixel, whichever Android phone you have, and then you just want to locate the apps settings from the list of options we have over here. So in my case, you can see apps, select apps. Now from all of the list of apps over here, you just want to locate the wrong choice of PDF viewer you selected before, or the PDF viewer you actually want to change or remove as your default PDF viewer. So mine is actually the all PDF reader option over here, so I'll select it, and then you just want to go over to the set as default, go ahead and select it, and then you're going to see the option to clear default. So you're actually going to reset this app and remove it from our default PDF viewer. So you want to click on clear, and once it clears, you can now go ahead and try to open up a PDF file again on your Android phone. So if I tap on this now, you are now going to again get the option to select your PDF viewer, which will now allow you to select any other application you want over here as your default PDF viewer. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.